Hello folks, welcome back to another practice session. Let's take our dice and see how far we get. Let's do the cross 6. We're going to try to hit the outside number 4, 5, 9, 10. Cross 6. 6, 1, 5 is a point. Sorry, flip that. Okay, we're going to go with the 3 V's. 3, 6, 3, 2, 3 V's. The 6, 8 set. Try to go for 6 and 8. Oh, slip. Reload. Five. 2, 3, 5. Sorry, flip that. 2, 3, 5. We're going to go for the 5. We're going to use the 5, 9 set. We're going to use the 5, 9 set with the yo on the inside. Yo on the inside. Just trying to play follow the leader. 9, 6, 3, 9. Go yo in it. Yo in the center for 5 and 9, mostly 5. So we're going to reverse it. We're going to go the yo down under in the center and still do the 5, 9 set. Try to hit the 9. $11, yo. Same set. 5, 9 with the yo down under inside. 8. Gonna go with the 3 V's. 3, 6, 3, 2. Six. Point made. 2, 4, 6. Cross 6. Outside number. 6 again, 1, 5. Four, 2, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Snake eye, 1, 1, 2. Flip that. 5, 9 set. 6, 1, 5. Point made. hardware set. Boom. Pick in a blanket army roll. Forward rotation. 5. 5's a point. 2, 3, 5. Same set. Four, 1, 3. Set 6, 2, 2, 1. Going for 6, 3, 6 4s and 3. 2 finger toss. 4, 3, 1. Keep rotating your toss and set, so that way the math doesn't catch up to you. Hardware set. Going for the whip toss. 1, 1, 2. Same set, hardware. The whip toss. 10, 5, 5. Okay. Gonna go with the box number. 4, 6, 3, 6. 5, point made. 1, 4, 5. We're going to set up the 6, 2, 2, 1. We're going for 6 4s and 3s. Seven. Buttons off. So we're still good in a row, but we lost all these rows. How many rows we made? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 row. Okay, 15 row. 15 row. We knocked out all tall, all short, but it's still a row. Start again. Going for the 6, 3, 3, 6 set. Nine. 9's a point. 3, 6, 9. Same set. 3, 1, 2. Same set. Just hunting fields. 6, 2, 4. Same set. Three, 1, 2. Hardware set. Pick and a blanket roll. Six, 1, 5. Same set. Seven out. So 15 plus 2, 4, 5, 20 roll. We made 3 point. Can't make the fourth. Not bad. Just mix up your rolls. Try to extend it. And do the best you can. Take care and keep on practicing.